Let's talk about getting your first inbound lead in Flashquotes. You've done the hard work. You've got your lead intake form on your social media profile, embedded in your website, and you are ready and rocking to accept new leads. The beautiful thing that happens is an email notification when you get a new lead message. From there, you can see that in your email. You've got a new lead. This one's from our friend John Snow, js@whitewalker.com. And I can view the quote from here, which will take me right into the quote itself. We have AutoDraft here at Flashquotes, so in this case, they've selected the mobile espresso bar, drip coffee, and assorted pastries, and we've automatically built a quote to make it super, super easy to send and review right away. Here you can take a look at things. Hopefully the prices are just automatically calculated for you, allowing you to quote in minutes, which makes a huge difference for you standing out in the marketplace and getting booked. Another place you'll see this is within the pipeline. From within the pipeline, I can see that I have a new inquiry. I can move it throughout my pipeline. Maybe it's ready for review and sending. And then as soon as I'm ready to send it, I can actually send this quote off and move it through the flow of getting fully booked. That is the super exciting stage of getting your first lead inbound in Flashquotes. It's a huge accomplishment. If you get there, well done. You can see it progressing now into the quote sent primary category where you can view it, move it along in its journey, and hopefully get that thing booked and serve an amazing event. And that is getting your first inbound lead in Flashquotes.